Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I'm an accredited seller of DMCA Home. So today, ang i-discuss ko po sa inyo is yung mga sample computations natin para kay Doriana. Okay po? Hello po, so kumusta po kayo? So I hope napanood nyo yung pinaka-latest video ko about the update of Prisma Residences. So napakaganda na, no? Nung ni Prisma Residences. Actually, halos mag 100% completion na tayo para po dito sa project na to. Pero bukod dun kay Prisma, ito ang i-discuss ko naman ngayon is itong mga sample computations natin para kay Doriana, kasi hindi yata ako nakagawa ng video about the sample computations, pero nakapag-upload na po ako ng construction update niya. So panoorin niyo na lang, dyan ililink ko rin po sa card sa taas yung construction update ni Doriana. So huwag natin patagalin pa to. So kay Doriana, meron na tayong actually muna tayo, location. So a quick information about Doriana. So Doriana is located along Aurora Boulevard, okay, in Project 4, Quezon City. Kung familiar kayo kay Infinite Towers, halos magkatabi lang silang dalawa. Napapagitnaan silang dalawa ni NCBA Business School along Aurora Boulevard. And also, malapit rin yung project na yon. Malapit rin po sa LRT2 na station, LRT2 Katipunan Station. And of course, doon sa upcoming na subway station, subway station. Ang gagandahan din nun, it's a transit-oriented development po. Wherein karamihan doon sa area na yun are commercial hubs, business offices po, schools, okay, and yung mga major transportation natin, yun na yung LRT line and yung subway station natin. And also, kagandahan din doon sa project na kay Doriana, malapit rin siya kay Ateneo de Manila University and kay UP Diliman. Okay, and of course kay Miriam College. So yung mga malapit na mga prestigious schools doon sa area. Okay, so for that project, meron tayong studio, meron tayong 2-bedroom unit, and meron tayong, ang biggest size natin doon is yung 2-bedroom na 70 square meters. Okay, so ito ipapakita ko computation sa inyo is yung computation natin para kay South Tower sa first building, and sa second tower, sa North Tower. We just recently launched that building po. So, doon muna tayo sa first building kay North Tower. So, yung promo natin for that tower is still the 15% down payment spread hanggang ma-turnover date. So, option 1, meron kang additional 1% discount. Pero, stay as is yung number of months to pay, which is 26 months, na ang turnover until April 2026. And yung second option, pwede mong dagdagan ng 8 months. So, additional 8 months, so up to 34 months 34 months ang down payment period. And then yung promo natin sa South Tower is 15% down payment spread hanggang ma-turnover yung unit, which is until November 2027, na meron pa tayong 45 months, and on top of that, meron pa tayong additional na 3% discount para sa 2-bedroom unit. Okay lamang. Applicable yung discount natin sa 2-bedroom unit. Okay, so ito yung first computation natin. Pagka po, if you want to avail a discount kay North Tower, so the sample computation of 2-bedroom unit na 60 square meters, and it is priced at 7.2 million. So maglalas tayo ng 1% discount na 144,000. So ang contract price natin magpo-fall sa 7,073,000. So let's get the 15% down payment and less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment natin is at 1,041,046. So ito na yung equally divide natin into 46 months. Okay, so for 46 months, ang down payment po natin for a 2-bedroom unit kay North Tower is at 40,040 pesos and 23 centavos. That's for the 15% in 26 months. Okay? And then yung remaining balance nyo po na 85%, which will due on April 2026. So ang total balance ninyo is at 6,012,594. and the closing fees of 742,000. So ito na yung ito na po yung estimated na monthly amortization natin. So maximum of 20 years at 50,000, 15 years at 55,000, 10 years at 70,000 pesos. Okay? So yun po. So ang monthly for 26 months, again 40,000 pagka if you want to avail the first option, yung meron pong may additional discount, pero as is yung turnover day. So yung second option naman natin, if you want an additional 8 months sa down payment period, pero dito po wala pong discount. Kagandahan nito, mas na-stretch up from 26 months, mag-stretch up siya hanggang 34 months. Okay, so from 40,000 down payment for 26 months, bababa siya ng 31,255, okay, for 34 months. So kagandahan nito, mas sumaba yung number of months to pay mo, mas bumaba yung monthly down payment po ninyo. Pero yung sa balance natin, kasi dito po wala pong discount, sa balance natin mababago. So yung balance mo na 85%, amounting to 6.1 million na siya. So kung ano yung discount doon sa first option, dinagdag lang natin dito sa balance. So approximate po na monthly amortization for 20 years at 51,300, for 15 years at 56,000, for 10 years at 72,000. Okay? And lastly, yung computation natin para sa bagong building, sa newly launched building natin na kay South Tower. So dito may additional pa na 3% discount. So maraming naghahabol dito kasi no one knows, baka pagdating ng February, babaan na po natin yung discount natin for this type of unit. So ito pong 3% discount na to, applicable lamang ito sa 2-bedroom units natin kay South Tower. Okay? So 61 square meters ang price, it's 7.3. So again, yung prices natin dito nag-iiba-iba po siya. Depende sa floor level, depende sa view. Ito itong competition natin, yung pinakamababang price ng unit na nakita po namin dito. So this price is 7.3, 3% discount, 222,000 maglaless tayo. So ang contract price natin is at 7.1 million. Let's get the 50% down payment amount to 1,071,000 and less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment natin would fall at 1,051,316. So ito na equally divide natin for 45 months. Okay? So for 45 months, ang monthly down payment natin is at 23,362. Okay? So napakababa. Imagine mo for a 2-bedroom unit, 23,000 a month lang, di ba? For 45 months. And then yung remaining balance po natin na 85% na mag-due pa on November 2027. So medyo ikatagalan pa ito for 45 months. Okay, so lagpas almost 4 years pa po ito. So ang balance is 6,070,000 plus the closing fees of 749,000. So estimated monthly amortization natin, maximum of 20 years at 50,700, for 15 years at 56,000, for 10 years at 71,000 pesos. Okay po. So yun po. So that concludes po my presentation for the computation po, sample computations for this month of January 2024 para kay Doriana. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung mga numbers ko po, you may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, and also we can schedule a site viewing because meron tayong 4 na model unit doon. And also, pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom. So, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube, na-notify po kayo. Okay, so thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.